Welcome to NAI 500's CEO interview series. Today we're interviewing Bryson Goodwin, CEO of Extreme Vehicle Battery Technologies. EV Battery Tech has had an exciting year, with the stock price rising from 5 cents to over 65 cents in February. Today, the stock has stayed in a 20 to 30 cent range, and the company has been very engaged with the stock market, issuing numerous updates on its EV battery, energy storage system, and electric vehicle products. We sat down with Bryson Goodwin to get a better view on the company's most recent developments and its plans for the fall of 2021. If you like our videos, please feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps us to get more information out to the market.
Hi, Bryson. Good to talk to you again. How's everything going?
Oh, it's going great, thank you. And thank you for having me today.
So our investors have heard a lot about you over the last year. So we thought we'd get a nice kickoff for the last few quarters in September with an update here. So tell us a little bit more about what's happened with EV Battery Tech over the last couple months.
Well, as a lot of investors are aware, we've been focusing on product delivery and product development. We have taken delivery for testing of the Freedom issue batteries. Our first smart wall is here and is going to be installed. That will be sent out the distributorship for people to touch and feel. Really, the company's been focused on product sales, product delivery, product development.
Your last releases were about 2 new products, these new electric vehicles that you're developing. Now tell us a little something about the design process and what makes these vehicles competitive in the market.
Well, really, when you look at our relationship with Damac as an example, they're assisting us with the development and production of that vehicle, and we're assisting them with the development and the production of the batteries required. So it really is truly a partnership. And in these electric vehicles, what you notice is the battery is the key component, and the battery management system is vital in that system for distance and speed and whatnot. So we're in the process of producing one of the fastest production vehicles that you can get on an EV scale. And we're quite excited on that front. But realistically, from a company standpoint, it's just proof of concept on our battery management system and our delivery system.
Great. And you also had a very exciting announcement that you'll be supplying the Glen Helen Estates Auto Mall with charging ports. So tell us a little bit about that arrangement and tell us how this will affect your revenues.
Well, I think shareholders have noticed that we've announced more than one development and engineering aspect on our charging stations. Really, when you look at what we're offering on the charging station front, it's an ESS solution, so a storage solution combined with a charging port to allow faster charging, and more importantly, to allow a lot more flexibility on installation and energy consumption for the vendors. So by combining the storage solution with the fast charging, you have basically 2 ports of entry for that power. You have the power from the grid, you have the power from the battery, which can be combined to create a faster charge or a cheaper, more cost-effective charge for the delivery server. As we move forward with these charging stations, I think that shareholders need to understand that we're talking about a continual revenue stream as we do profit sharing in some instances. And also there is the implementation and development of those as we move out into that marketplace.
Now, with fall coming, there's a usual rush of capital back to the stock markets. What do investors have to be excited about in the next month for ACDC?
Well, I think that investors need to understand that we've been doing this for a couple of years now. The chip shortage that affected most companies has not really impacted us at this point because all our products were in development and order already. Going forward, I think we're poised to take advantage of this multi-trillion-dollar infrastructure program that both Canada and the United States are implementing right now. Really, as that money funnels out into the marketplace, there's very few vendors that are poised to take advantage of that. And here we are signing agreements for installation of charging stations and ESS solutions and our Titan solutions. So realistically, we're a company that's ready to deliver those products today in a marketplace that is starting to look at those products for implementation on a government nationwide scale. So I think shareholders should take note that positioning wise, this company couldn't be in a better position going forward.
Thanks, Bryson. This has been a great update. Short but sweet, and glad to get your information out to the market here.
Well, thank you very much for having me. And again, if anybody has any questions, they can email us, and I respond to a lot of those directly.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Please like our video and subscribe to our channel to help us get more cutting-edge stock coverage to the market.